Hey guys, we received this air dye clay for test and try. 100 colors modeling clay for kids, safe and non-toxic, and also is a model art and the craft toys with the sculpting tools. So the great thing is this is like the pack of 100 colors. So the 100 different colors that kids can use, and everything is kept in mind, means like they have this tool and also the individual zip lock. So once you open this sealed pack, then it will not dry, so you can just put it in a zip lock individually. So the 100 zip locks are also provided, and then you can see like the opening this, and there's a nice clay inside, soft and mushy, so you can easily make anything from it. So for the video purpose, I'm just showing you 2 3 colors and see like how this work. And then once you just take this out, you can put it in this ziploc, so that you can easily store them and use them. So they are non-sticky, as you can see, nothing stick on my hands. And so here like with ziploc, the air dry thing, so sculpting tool and everything is provided. So the guidebook, so what type of design you can make with it, so these are the tools that's provided, and the kids can easily use that. So overall quality is also good, like for this sculpture, and then the clay quality. So you see like the bright colors are really nice with the 100 colors in total. So it's a great fun for the kids. After this video, I will just give it to kids to play with. But for me also, it looks really nice. Like you can see, like you can easily cut this one with these tools, and then also like nice fluffy, lightweight clay. So a good thing is not sticky on the hand. So you can just twist it and they use it the way you want, and then still it will not uh, be like any problem with it. So a lot of colors to choose from, and they have fun with. So all the different types of colors, you can see it here. Hopefully, I can show you as much as I can in this short video, but of course, this will help you to decide. But for me personally, I like the clay and I like this, 100 colors thing. And from the clay, also, you can see like you can twist and make. So, very nice quality clay and non-sticky and good for the kids and the air dried clay. So make fun, make different things, and enjoy with the kids to have fun. And the guide is also provided, so you can see all the different shapes that you can make along with this one. So nice clay overall.